A very good afternoon to all present here. I'm Dr. P.T.Kasthuri, Head Department of Computer Science, giving you a presentation on some of the sample programs in Python. So we'll see how to find the factorial of a given number using the recursive function. So I'm going to here has define is a def is a keyword used for defining the function. Def followed by recur underscore factorial is the name of the function and it takes an argument of n. If n is equal to 1, return 1, 1 factorial is 1. Else return n into recur factorial of n minus 1. Say for example 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it has to multiply all these numbers. Similarly, n factorial is n into n minus 1, etc. up to 1. So this def function will calculate the factorial of the given number. And it see to that inside the def function, you need to leave a blank space and then you start typing if statement and the return must be indented. Similarly, in else, again the return must be indented. Actually, the program starts from num equal to. So I'm going to enter the value for num. By default, input takes a string value, so I'm converting it into a integer value, and that is going to be stored in num. If num is less than 0, print sorry factorial cannot be uh, calculated because it's a negative value. If it is equal to 0, 0 factorial is 1. So yeah, I'm checking in else if condition. If num equal to 0, print factorial of 0 is 1. If it is a positive value, then it has to calculate the factorial. So in the else condition, print the factorial of num is the given number. Say for example 5, if you give, it will print 5 is recursive factorial. It will call the function and it just transfers the control to the function and it just goes to the else part and it keeps on calculating the value of the factorial value. That since 5, if you give 5 into 4, again it will enter into the 4 factorial, there 4 into 3, again it will enter into the 3 factorial, 3 into 2, again 2 factorial, 2 into 1. That's all, the value is exhausted. After 1, it just comes back to the main program and it prints the value of the factorial as 5 fours are 20, 60, 120. The result will be 120. Next, we'll see another program which is going to calculate the prime number less than 20. Here also, def is a uh, definition that you are going to give for the function. Is underscore prime is the name of the function and it takes an argument of number. If the number is less than or equal to 1, then it is going to return false. Then a prime number is a one which should not be divisible by any other number other than 1 and itself. So for I in range of 2 to you can give n minus 1 or half of the number. If you check, that itself is enough. Then if number percentage I is equal to 0, if the number is divisible by I, that is 2, then return false. It is not a prime number. So it keeps on calculating the modulus of all the numbers, number divisible by number range divided by 2 to n minus 1 or 2 to half of the number. Say for example, till if you take a number say 5, whether it is a prime or not, it has to calculate till 3. It's enough. If it is divisible, then it's not at all a prime number. So if a number is not divisible by any number from 2 to n minus 1, then it will this becomes return false. If it is not divisible by all the numbers, then the loop will return, it comes out of the loop, then it returns true. So for I is equal to, for num ranging from 2 to 20, I'm just checking the number 2. I'm first passing the number 2 and I'm checking whether it's a prime number. If it is a prime number, it will print. Otherwise, it just comes out of the loop as a return false. So it won't get printed at all. So like this, from 20 to 100, you can keep on printing the prime numbers. Thank you.